My age was also young. I thought this is like one of the golden opportunities I'm going to have in life. Being able to become a doctor at a young age.
My parents wanted me and everyone in my family wanted कि मैं doctor बनूं.
Try to eliminate any and all of the self-doubt that you have, because NEET is one of the step in your dream. It is not where your whole life is dependent upon, or it is not your whole life.
I just want to discover whatever comes in my future, and yeah, I'm just excited about that. हेलो माई सेल्फ मुस्कान यादव और मैं दिल्ली एनसीआर से आई हूँ और अभी मैं पर्म स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में अपनी MBBS करने जा रही हूँ.
My name is Roma Khan. I live in Delhi and I am going to Perm State Medical University.
एक्चुअली माई सिटी कम्स बिटवीन हरियाणा और राजस्थान के बॉर्डर के बीच में है वो, बट राजस्थान में इंक्लूड करते हैं उसको, लेकिन वी कंसिडर आवरसेल्व्स हरियाणवी. तो actually I was not sure about being a doctor. So my parents wanted me and everyone in my family wanted कि मैं doctor बनूं.
During COVID, I remember me and my family suffered a lot. It was as bad as losing 2 or 3 family members in a single day. It was a very horrifying experience that I had, and I always felt like a more helpless person than the person who was actually suffering from the disease. And the reason because of that was because I was seeing the people suffer in front of me, but I was not able to help anyone, or I was not even able to say one word of advice to them or even console them. So that was somewhere I felt that maybe instead of asking others or instead of blaming others, why not him, why not her, I should become the person everyone can come for their problems or asking for solutions or help.
मैंने 2 ड्रॉप लिए थे. Then my father told me it's better to go in Russia. He also asked me कि मैं पहले ही रशिया में एडमिशन ले लूँ, but I thought to give it a try again. So नहीं हुआ उसमें.
It was my first attempt. Right after 12th grade, I attempted NEET, and that's now I'm coming for the MBBS. My age was also young. I thought this is like one of the golden opportunities I'm going to have in life. Being able to become a doctor at a young age, and also because I was feeling a bit proud of myself of qualifying the exam in first attempt. I suggested the option for abroad, but it was a collective decision including my mother, father and sister, especially my sister, because she convinced like the whole family that she should go abroad or she should pursue her education.
मेरे पापा के फ्रेंड के बेटे गए थे तो दे सजेस्टेड रशिया, एंड पापा ने फिर ऑनलाइन सर्च भी किया रूस एजुकेशन के बारे में. सो हम काउंसलिंग के लिए भी आए थे जयपुर में.
My cousin is already studying there and he was connected to Rus education. So I asked him for help and he provided for help, and that's how I got connected to Rus education. For me, Russia has a more of a personal and more of a childhood experience that I had. And growing up, I saw a lot of my cousins, including my sisters, my brothers, go abroad for medical studies. I was always thinking that okay, everyone studies in their own respective countries, but abroad studies was somewhat more special to me because I was always interested in different cultures and arts and more on ethnicity and everything.
पर्म के बारे में मुझे एक्चुअली द फर्स्ट गाय जो उसने बोला सेम, मुझे इतना ही पता है. आई जस्ट नो कि वो सबसे पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटी है, 1916 समथिंग में एस्टेब्लिश हुई थी. सो आई ट्रस्ट पर्म.
It was among all the universities that I chose, it was one of the best options that I had, including the fee structure or all the facilities, other facilities, and even education. It was one of the best options that I had, and something that all of my family members agreed upon, because the decision wasn't simply mine, it was a collective decision. So it was something that everyone agreed upon, and I also felt most satisfied with. That's why I chose Pearl. My counselor is Ishad sir, and my experience so far has been amazing because there is no gaps in our communication. The communication is like crystal clear, and we have a lot of doubts going abroad, and so I can clear that doubt anytime, and in just one phone call. I don't have to visit the office again and again. I don't have to trouble myself with all of that transportation and or commuting to one place to another. But I can just clear all of that doubts in just one phone call. Is amazing.
आई थिंक इट्स बेटर कि अगर आपको MBBS करना है और आपके पास ठीक ठाक पैसा है कि आप रशिया में एडमिशन ले सकते हो, तो आप इट्स बेटर कि आप ले लो पहले ही देन वेस्टिंग योर टाइम इन इंडिया. और इंडिया में फिर 1 CR अगर आपके पास है तो आप स्पेंड कर लो, इट्स बेटर. और फिर उसके बाद PG भी है, PG में भी इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा आपको इंडिया में, तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. आई थिंक रशिया इज़ बेटर ऑप्शन फॉर दैट.
Try to eliminate any and all of the self-doubt that you have, because NEET is one of the step in your dream. It is not where their whole life is dependent upon, or it is not your whole life. So try to save your time. I'm not saying just because I did it, so you should do it too. I'm saying that if 1 or 2 attempts and you have still not cleared it, or even if you have cleared it, then try to go for more options. Try and explore more options that you have, instead of just having having to be stuck in one place.
I'm neutral about it. Not nervous, not excited, just neutral.
Well, at first I was feeling a bit anxious, but after having been encouraged by a lot of people around me, I'm feeling more excited instead of anxious. And I always wanted to have this career path, so that's why I'm feeling more excited and more responsible towards my journey.
I just want to discover whatever comes in my future, and yeah, I'm just excited about that.